Hello, we're here at the Lehigh and Keystone Valley Model Railroad Museum, and we're going to repair, this is part one of repairing a Peco switch. Now, the Peco switches have a tendency to short when engines go across them. The problem is right here at the point. What we're going to do is we're going to grind out the inside rail, the inside of the rail, and we're going to fill that with epoxy. I'm going to first grind this rail here. On a slight angle. Now I'm going to switch over and grind the other side. And I'm going to take a little bit right off the top, right here where it meets the plastic. Now that we got that ground out, we're going to mix up a little bit of epoxy. This is the BJ Weld epoxy. It's a black and gray epoxy, and I use this for a lot of different repairs. It works very nice. I'm going to mix this up real good here. I usually try to put a little bit more gray than black. The gray is the hardener, and for some reason it just seems to work a little better with a little more gray. Okay. Now we're gonna fill the area that we ground out with the epoxy. Lay that right in there. That's pretty easy. That's all you need. And then we're going to take a little bit of wax paper. I learned this trick when I was doing Corvette repair. Wax paper can save you a lot of sanding time. You just lay that right on top there, and it acts like a mold. You can squeeze the epoxy down into the crack and gives you a nice smooth surface on top. Now we'll do part two after the epoxy dries on repairing a Peco switch.